Yeah.
Yeah, man. You want to race tonight?
Yeah, you know I could use the money.
You got 4 minutes, man.
All right, I'll be there.
Nice ride. What's the retail on one of those? More than you can afford, pal. An RV. I guess everybody's looking. Wanna know why? We make our own car meets. Where's Augustine at? Riverside car meet coming soon. COVID? Nah, fuck that. Alright, broskies. We had our fun with the Evo, made a little bit of content, and it's gone. Last walk to the Evo. Oh, wrong car. Last walk to... Wait, wrong car, hold on. Last walk to the Evo. It's technically an Evo, but it's actually that one.
Hoping it will cave and swallow me whole. Wonder why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was sold. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there.
You can't steal it. Okay, Evo, it was nice knowing you. I'm gonna miss you. I will forever remember you. You were a nice car, but the Subaru's a little bit better on my heart. I'll see you next time to a better owner, but until then, it's gone. So this is the new bro who's gonna take care of the car. It's gonna be his. We've made a deal. It's the homies. It's not going to hell or heaven. Don't worry, the car's gonna be here, alright guys? He accomplished his dream car. This is the car he wants now until he gets a GTR or something. That ain't my problem, but this is it. We'll see you more in the future.
Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever.
Why, Mom? You're famous. No. People requested you on YouTube.
We not talk about family when family's all that we got. Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
This is our farewells now. Bye, Mom. Love you.
You were always the best driver, Mom.
Still number one.
Where we began.